This is the example on slide 51 of our chapter 16 PowerPoint. And here in this example, we're going to be writing an equation for an isotope of an element produced by bombardment. So not just spontaneous alpha, beta, or gamma emission. So it says to write the balanced nuclear equation for the bombardment of nickel-58 by a proton, which produces a radioactive isotope and an alpha particle. So they gave us a lot of information in that question. They said they want us to write a balanced nuclear equation for the bombardment of nickel-58 by proton, which in this case, a proton has the symbol 1, 1H. In chemistry, a lot of times a proton is basically another way to refer to a hydrogen ion. And so hydrogen only has one proton, doesn't have any neutrons, so therefore its mass number and atomic number are the same, not a same. Then it says it produces a radioactive isotope. So produces an isotope, which is what we're looking for, and an alpha particle, which we know has the symbol 4/2He. So that's going to allow us to write an incomplete nuclear equation, which we can then figure out what our mystery isotope we're forming is, doing the same type of calculations we've been doing, just adding and subtracting. So nickel is bombarded by a proton, so we're going to have 1, 1H plus 58 nickel. And then if we look at our periodic table, nickel's atomic number is 28. And that's going to produce some isotope, we don't know it yet, plus alpha particles, which is 4/2He. So, name of the game is to figure out our mass number, atomic number, and the element symbol. And we just basically need to make sure that the numbers on both sides are equal to one another. So, slight difference from previous problems. Previous problems, we only had one element on our reactant side and two on our product side. Now we have two elements on each side. So, to figure out the mass number on the reactant side, it's going to be, so let's do mass number 1 plus 58, and that has to equal some number plus 4. So 1 plus 58 is 59, is equal to something plus 4. So if we take 59 minus 4, that's going to give us 55. So that's our mass number of our mystery element. Next, we need to figure out the atomic number of our missing element. So that's going to be 1 plus 28 is equal to something plus 2. So 1 plus 28, that is 29, is equal to something plus 2. And then if we take 29, subtract 2, we should get 27. And that's our mystery element atomic number. So our mass number is 55. Our atomic number is 27. Therefore, our element, if we look on our periodic table for number 27 above our element, is cobalt. So if I write my entire equation, it's going to be 1, 1 hydrogen plus 58, 28 nickel produces 5527 cobalt plus 42 helium. And that is how to figure out the isotope produced by bombardment of another element. And there's your final answer.